Hi, my name's Tom Aguda. In this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make awesome glitch transitions all through the power of the Splice app. Alright, enough talking, let's hop right into Splice. Okay, so here's what the end product is going to look like. Let's get right into creating it. Now that we're in Splice, click Create Project and then select the clips you want to import. Then press Next. Make sure the aspect ratio is where you want it. Mine is portrait, so that's perfect. Now that the clips are in Splice, scroll and put your playhead right in between the clips. Then press with 2 fingers on the screen under the timeline and stretch them in order to zoom into the timeline. Make sure to zoom in all the way. Now, like I'm doing, move your playhead to the left and count out 6 frames. Then keep your playhead there, go down to the menu and split the clip. Now, move your playhead back to in between the clips. Then move your playhead to the right and count out 6 frames on the second clip. Then split it there. Now we can zoom back out by pressing with 2 fingers and bringing them to each other. As you can see, we've cut out 2 chunks of the clips and those will now be the transition. Now it's time to add the glitches. Click off the clip and select Effects from the bottom menu. Then scroll to the right to the glitches and select which one you want. My favorite is glitch number 3. Then select the second clip to get off the glitch menu, and then click off the clip to bring up the bottom menu. Then select Effects again. Now you can select any effect you want. I like using Chroma 3 because it mixes well with the glitch. My transition is looking a little fast, so I'm going to select the magic wand under the first clip to bring up our glitch effects. Then I'm going to drag out the beginning of the glitch so it starts sooner. Now that's looking a lot better. You can do the same for your second clip if necessary. I'm liking the way mine looks, so I'm just going to export it. To export it, click the top right button and press save. Alright, that's it for the 4th episode. Please let us know if you liked it and make sure to tune into the 5th episode. In that one, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play catch with yourselves through editing magic in the Splice app.